Hello guys, it's me, main helper, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a quick zoom in CapCut. Okay, first of all we need to add video in CapCut, and I want to create a zoom. We need to use frame. Okay, we need to use a frame. First set keyframe on scale, add keyframe. Some seconds and do this. Keyframe set automatic and return to first position. We can set 100%, or we can click on this frame, click on Ctrl C and click on Ctrl V. Okay, let's watch. If you wanna do it fast, we need to move this keyframe and move this keyframe. Okay, we watch again. And so good. We just create a quick zoom in CapCut. Okay guys, that is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.